If brand is a voice, the product is souvenir. This philosophy lies in the heart of the brand we are going to talk about, Parachute. Hey guys, welcome to Indo Business. Parachute was started in the 1950s. The name Parachute was popularized due to the India-Pakistan War, in which the famous parachute troops played a crucial role. The parachute story started like every coconut oil producer, by selling the oil in large quantities to the shops in and around Maharashtra. But the man who redefined the journey of Parachute is Mr. Harsh Mariwala, who joined Bombay Oils in 1971. At the age of 20, after completing his bachelor's degree from the University of Bombay, he felt that Parachute had a high market potential. So, he started innovating with the brand. Harsh Mariwala saw an opportunity in the market for a branded coconut oil. At that time, the market was dominated by unbranded coconut oil, and Harsh Mariwala innovated by introducing plastic bottles into the market. But the problem arrived when the traders declined to shelf the bottles in their stores due to the bitter experiences. Previously, a brand introduced square-shaped plastic bottles. But the rats have bitten the bottles, which leaked out all the oil and destroyed other inventories as well. But Harsh Mariwala took it as a challenge and introduced round-shaped bottles. He tested the bottles by placing them inside rat cages and also took pictures as an evidence. And later showed it to the traders to convince them, and they certainly were. After the Parachute brand became popular, hundreds of copycats arrived into the market. But the mastermind Harsh Mariwala went back to the drawing board and introduced a new mold. He had bought it from Europe for 2 crores who made flip-top caps. This made the copycats to leave the market, and once again the Parachute brand reigned supreme. In 1996, famous multinational companies launched products of hair care and oils. Then, the chairman of Unilever called Mariwala to talk him over to sell the brand Parachute, and warned him that if he doesn't, he would remain history. But Harsh Mariwala accepted the challenge and created a war room. He knew that the lines were drawn and the stakes would be high. It was a do-or-die situation for the Parachute brand. But Harsh Mariwala went all guns by improving the rural market and also by giving direct access to the sales representatives. He knew that it is the ground level employees who are going to make or break the company. And once again, Parachute was crowned champion, whereas Harsh Mariwala played another master stroke by introducing sachet, which swept the rural market. The irony of this situation was that the complete brand of Hindustan Unilever Nihar was bought by Mr. Harsh Mariwala in 2006 for 220 crores. This we can term as one of the greatest revenge in the Indian corporate history. From getting bought by a competitor to buying the competitor pack is a jeet that no other Indian corporate has ever achieved in the FMCG, that is fast moving consumer goods business at that time. And again, the quest of Parachute began in 2011 by introducing Parachute Advance. Now, Parachute has a revenue of 2000 crores and it also occupies 80% of the market in Bangladesh. Parachute has branded the unbranded coconut oil in India. Hence, this was the fall and rise of Parachute and its iconic bottle. If you like this video, please do share it and also subscribe to our channel Indo Business. We come with new videos every week. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.